follow my ass.
Santana, yeah.
Okay, now. My battery's dying, fellas. You're gonna do it. Do it.
Wearing shoes. Hey, Dad, it's angry. It's angry.
Ow. Can't see the hell, but you can see the rain a little bit.
My turn.
Are you trying to catch the lightning?
I'm just taping it, just so I can hear it. Coming down like we're in another country or
Mommy's glider. Hey guys, we'll that hill for like 10 seconds.
he's all slippery. Get
I
you
know.
back up.
Yeah, like you're walking that whole thing down right there. I'll do it later. You got fun? I slipped. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Woo! Well, my stuff holy water stuff you got me. Don't slip again, you'll hit that.
Holy crap.
I was hoping to catch the lightning over there.
I get soaked. Make sure you hang that up.
Probably rain.
Not where the dogs pee on.
Mom, it hasn't changed. All launches to New Mexico.
Soft new towels.
It's soft.
It's soft.
Kim, all launches New Mexico. All New Mexico just got fucked.
Yeah.
You know how it
They
happens
just
in
saved
Mexico
New
is about
Mexico.
this?
Yeah, very happy.
We're in a drought right now.
We're in a drought, and this is gonna put out the fires, the help. Anyway, sort of.
Oh, wow.
Yee! Tornado!
No tornado.
Holy
right
rain!
name.
Rain-nados! Look it!
Yeah, it's spinning.
Miss Natives.
Oh, JP is gonna have fun in the morning.
My God.
You'll be down here in like an hour wiping it down.
Well,
Yeah,
we're
as
at
soon as the
Subway,
rain goes
so
down, they'll be
power
out here.
went out.
Who's streets?
Gee, I wonder if Walgreens went out. They go out.
Drink
Unbelievable.
until you get fucked.
My camera doesn't do this good justice either.
I got hit in the back of the
Can you see all the rain coming?
Off the top of the car, kind of. Doesn't really show it to you. So I pointed at the ground though, you can see it.
Dave, go have fun.
I can hear it though, I can hear it.
Yeah,
I play it on my headphones.
Yeah, maybe you're not wet.
I won't be able to hook up. My shoes are all wet.
Really,
That way, run back inside. I got
ooh, burr. Knew there was a reason I didn't go to work today.
You think you would have lost power there?
No, there's just crazy people when it rains like this over there.
What was that?